Hey, Gray, how's it hanging? Listen, I heard you're doing the whole isolation stuff after the whole incident. Is that true? Not that it's my business or anything. Actually, it is. Sons was pretty upset about what you did. Uh, you sort of left them to deal with the mess alone. Not that I'm mad at you or anything. Not like that. No. No. It's just after what happened, maybe don't go isolating yourself too. Especially since this all started when Pebbles went silent on us back then. And we do not want a repeat, do we? Not that I think that you're gonna make a dumb decision. No. I just want us to... I don't know, but talk? Okay, look, just give me a reply once you have the time, yeah? I'm a bit busy at the moment to properly get a hold of you so we can really talk this out. And hey, Gray, just stay safe, yeah? But I'll see you. Hey, Gray, what do you think a noodle-fly egg tastes like if you, whipped it, Okay, so I think I'm gonna inject my slug cap with Botox, and then he'll Hey, man, so, you're actually serious with the whole isolating thing, then? Ugh. I'm guessing the unreturned calls are your answer. Fine, then. I can't really force this on you. And so far, you seem to be doing just fine, so I'm not too worried about you just yet. My overseers picked up no signs of anomalies with you, so I assume you're doing well. Now that that's out of the way, I just wanted to update you on the, situation. So far, things are still a bit heated. Moon was pretty popular within the administrator group chat, so to speak. And, a lot of people are angry at her downfall. And boy, let me tell you what. Hearing a bunch of ancient water suckers shifting blames towards sons and each other is fucking tedious. She's like, okay. Let me paint the picture for you. They just go on and blah blah blah. Like, shut the fuck up, man. Well, luckily, Sons is an amazing yapper themselves and shut those water suckers up for good. Well, for now, that is. Because of them, we just might be able to get through this. And everything will go back to... Nah. It can't go back to normal. What am I saying? Oh, look, Sons said once all this is done, our local group should have a meeting to talk about what happened and decide the future of our group. Where do we go next, etc. And, I hope you'll be able to join us. Or at least reply to my calls, just to say you're busy. That's the least you can do, man. Look, I gotta go, so just stay safe, okay, bud? See ya. Have you ever tried dissecting a lantern mouse when it... Okay, serious question here. How big of a litter do you think a red lizard can have if they were crossbred with a green lizard during...
Greetings, Gray. How are you? I hope you're doing well in your little isolation. At least better than it is here. I just wanted to say that my reaction to your departure was a bit much. I admit, you are also grieving, and I should have understood. It was a very stressful, and I was ridden in guilt before all else, and I lashed out towards you, which I shouldn't have. I apologize for my behavior. Now then, please reply to our messages and calls when you're ready. You have only family and friends here, Gray. No one is here to harm you. I just want everyone to be safe, including you. That's all I've ever wanted. Please reply when you have the time. Good night.
Hey, Gray, what does the grub say to... Hey, man, have you heard from UI? He won't return my calls and messages, just like you are. Why am I sending you this message now, knowing you won't reply to it? I don't know. Comfort? Coping? Either way, he hasn't been responding ever since things died down. We can't just have a local group with only 2 active members here, man. Come on. It's barely a group at this point. Oh, yeah. About the situation. Sons managed to keep the others at bay, and they won't be harassing us any longer, thank Void. So, maybe it's time to go out of isolation. What do you think about that? Well, at the end of the cycle, it's all up to you. Yeah, anyway. I should try contacting UI again, if not to see that he hasn't deleted himself for his own sake. So, stay safe, yeah? But, see ya. Bro refuses to answer the phone and calls it a spiritual journey. So, quick local group update. Sons are stressed, UI is missing, and somehow I am the responsible one right now. We are truly living in the worst timeline.
I shouldn't have sent you the images. I shouldn't have made it public to everyone. I didn't mean it to go this way. I didn't mean to upset Sons and Sig and everyone else. I just wanted to save him. He needed help. But I didn't know how to help. How to ask for help. I thought that by sharing it would help him. I just wanted them to look at me. I'm sorry.
Hey, Gray, you know any, good benefactor videos to watch while you're going insane? Not like the natural documentary ones. I don't really see the kick of it. But the ones that are more like socio-political commentary-esque? Like, ageism. Because That's the situation with those damn Gen 1 water suckers right now, looking down on the younger generations as if they aren't the most outdated models out there. I swear to Void, these rust buckets will do anything to prove how obsolete they are. Why am I talking about politics? Oh yeah. So, Sons is gonna be our new administrator, replacing Moon. And they're making a big fuss out of it because they're Generation 2 instead of Generation 1. It's the end of the world, we're all gonna die. Oh my Void, is it really such a big deal breaker? Come on. We're not the fucking benefactors here. Anyway, that aside, their whining means nothing, since it's not up to them. It's up to the regional group council vote to decide. And lo and behold, they approved of the promotion. Suck it, Gen 1! Well, Sons will be promoted in a few lunar cycles atop repair and connect superstructure in their conference hall. Good God, that repair is. I'll, of course, join in as Sons +1, and I'm just gonna assume that you won't be attending. Same with UI, which is a shame, but it is what it is. I guess that's it for now. Sons is gonna be promoted soon, and my hatred for those old cubes stayed strong. Stay safe, buddy. See ya. Have you ever wanted to be squished between two rot cysts before? You know, at this point, I think Spearmaster has more social skills than you do, and I think that... Dear Diary, Gray thinks he's so mysterious by not responding to NSH, but in reality, he's just got really bad social skills. Alright, if you don't answer this one, I'm gonna have to send one of my overseers to reorganize your Pearl archive by... Bro is letting my messages rot in his inbox more than... I'm coming over, Gray! Do not resist!